I went to school. I went to school. I go to school. I go to school. I will go to school. I will go to school. She studied English. She studied English. She studies English. She studies English. She will study English. She will study English. They played football. They played football. They play football. They play football. They will play football. They will play football. The dog barked loudly. The dog barked loudly. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. The dog will bark loudly. The dog will bark loudly. She called me yesterday. She called me yesterday. She calls me. She calls me. She will call me. She will call me. They built a house. They built a house. They build a house. They build a house. They will build a house. They will build a house. He drove a car. He drove a car. He drives a car. He drives a car. He will drive a car. He will drive a car. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. I will cook dinner. I will cook dinner. We visited Grandma. We visited Grandma. We visit Grandma. We visit Grandma. We will visit Grandma. We will visit Grandma. She sang beautifully. She sang beautifully. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. She will sing beautifully. She will sing beautifully.